Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 114th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use background color property. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style type, text slash CSS. Now body tag. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, and body tag. Now h1 tag, hello world, and now we'll end h1 tag. Now we'll end the p tag, body tag, and html tag. So now we'll just save it as 114 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. This PC HTML and 114th program. So this is our basic output of how to use background color property